Here we have an Audi Q7. These have several different lights. Anytime a light goes out, it makes the car have an error code and it starts beeping. One of the common lights to go out is this this corner one right here. So there's one on each side. It's a very small bulb and they just burn out quite often. So when it does, it's not a huge issue. You still have your headlight. However, that little bulb will send off an error code and make it beep every time you start it. The easiest way to get at it is actually down in the corner here. And you can see right there is the bulb. It's that gray thing right there. And instead of removing any of the assembly or anything like that, it's actually just easier to put your hand down here and give it a twist. Kind of a little bit of a wiggle, and there is the bulb. So, and that's the little bulb in the corner. That's the running light for this particular Audi Q7. Body style didn't change too much for this generation. This is 2008, but the bulb is really easy to replace. It's just a pull in, pull out. It doesn't twist. So when you have the new bulb, just pull that light out and then replace it with a new one and push it back in, then twist it again, just like a typical headlight or turn signal or running light assembly would hold in a bulb. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, I hope this video is helpful, guys. Good luck with your project. Have a great day.